Now I'm going to take you that side so that you can have a look at the bed, the nursery bed that I'm planting. So when we reach that side, that's when we're going to learn more about making the bed properly. Chili in this garden looks really good. It's well taken care of. As you can see, Mr. Del Gracious' land, chili garden is clean. You do not see any weeds. The fact that his chili is really healthy and fat, is it because the soil is very fertile? Now this chili, we were supposed to harvest it last Friday, the whole plantation, but we were not able to do so, so we never harvested this part. Now it has overgrown for another week. That's why you see the chili became more big, because it continued to grow for another more week after it was ready to harvest. We have to make sure we completely harvest all of them today. Now you see the other gentleman, he's also a farmer for hot pepper. We actually visited that farmer he was showing us in this garden later on. He's called Salongo. If you didn't watch, it must be probably part 13 of pepper growing in Uganda.